Hi viewers, welcome back. So in the previous video I explained about the mean and mode of grouped data. Now in this video I am going to explain the median of the same grouped data. So what is the median formula? First of all, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So what all these terms? See here, L is nothing but lower boundary of median class. Lower boundary. So within the class range, lower limit, we say lower limit and higher limit. So L is the lower limit, lower boundary of median class. What do you mean by n? Means number of observations. How many number of observations are there? So that we take it as n. And Cf is nothing but cumulative frequency of the median class. So in the median problems, we take the Cf values according to the frequency value, f, frequency of the median class. According to the, with respect to the frequency value, we'll take it cumulative frequency from the table. I'll explain that one, how to take. Then what is h? We know there is nothing but class size. Okay, so these are the terms for the median. So question may be asked to write only the formula with the terms. So formula is important, and depending upon formula we have the problems. Finding out the only median is one type, another one is finding the missing frequency from the median. Both I will explain in this video. So first one, the question is, the distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. So 30 student weights are given. Find the median weight of these students. Weights and number of students are tabulated here. 40 to 45, 45 to 50. That means the difference is h class size is 5. 40 to 45 is 5 is the difference. Up to 70 to 75. Then number of students is given as 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3, 2. Okay. So median, we have 3 column table. So 3 column table. First one is class interval. What he given, that one. We'll write 40 to 45. Then 40 to 45, 45 to 50, the same values you write. 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, then 70 to 75. Now number of students, 2, 3, 8, 6, something missed here. 55 to 60 I missed, so 50 to 55 I missed. 50 to 55, this one is 8, this is 6, then 6, this is 3, this is 2. So 50 to 55 is 8, 55 to 60 is 6. Okay. Then cumulative frequency. How to write cumulative frequency means, first whatever the frequency value we have, that one will write it as same 2. Next value will be adding the cumulative value, 2 plus 3, that is 5. Next 5 plus 8, next value 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 2, 30. Here also n value, that is the number of observations, is 30. That one he given in the question itself already. So first thing, finding the f value, frequency value. How to take frequency values means, in the frequency values, the biggest number, that means the largest number, we should take it as f, that is nothing but 8. F equal to 8. And with respect to the f, I said to take cumulative frequency value. So if this is f means, beside that one leave the value, and above to that one this will be the Cf value, that is nothing but 5. So cumulative frequency value is 5, and L value is nothing but frequency values beside the frequency value in the class interval. What is the lower limit? 50 to 55. The class interval value is 50 to 55, that is the third observation. So we'll take L equal to 50, that is the lower boundary, and n equal to, we have 30. If n equal to 30 means n by 2 means 30 by 2, which gives 15 value. So with these values, and what is h value? Class size is 5. 40 to 45, difference is 5. Now we do the median. Formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Substitute the values. L value is 50 plus n by 2 is, directly I am writing 15, minus Cf we have is 5, by f value is 8, and h value is 5. So 50 plus, how much? 15 minus 5 is 10. So 10 by 8 into 5, that is 50 by 8. 50 plus 50 by 8. So 50 plus 50 by 8, if you divide, 6 are 48, 2 is a remainder, 20, 2s are 16, 4, this will become 40, so 40 when means 5 are. So here 50 plus 50 by 8 is 50 plus 6.25. This 50 by 8 value is 6.25. So 50 plus 6.25 is 56.25. Median equal to 56.25 kgs. I hope you understood. Here next I will explaining missing frequency value. Okay, yes. Now finding out the values, missing frequency values. So this is of the important type for the board exams. Given question is, if the median of 60 observations, that means n value is 60, number of observations is 60, given below is 28.5, that means the median value given as 28.5 is asking to find the values of x and y. So x and y in the frequency column, these are the missing values, so we should find out that value. So first we will write class interval values. Class interval table column is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Okay, these are the values. Frequency values is 5, x we should find out, 20, 15, and y we have to find, and 5. And I said cumulative frequency, first write the frequency value 5, next cumulative means we should add this one, 5 plus x, then 5 plus 20 plus x, it gives 25 plus x, 25 plus 15 is 40, so I write 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y is there, so write it as same, 40 plus x plus 5, 40 plus 5, add the new numbers, 45 plus x plus 5. These are the cumulative frequency values, and these values he given in the question n equal to 60, but even though we add this one, we get 45 plus x plus y, 60 equal to 45 plus x plus y. This value nothing but the number of frequencies, so we equate them. 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 15 is 40, 40 plus 5 is 45, and x and y we separate them. So x plus y equal to, bring 45 this side, this will become 60 minus 45, subtraction. X plus y equal to 60 minus 45 is nothing but 15. We'll mark this one as equation 1, why? Because this will be helpful to finding the values x and y. So mark it and we'll keep it separate. So now coming to the finding of median. What all we required? L value and f value. So first we will find out f value. In this frequency value, what is the largest number is 20. So we take f as 20. F equal to 20. Then according to f, not this one to the same line, above to this one we take as CF. So this is CF value, 5 plus x. And what about L value? Beside to 20 frequency value, lower boundary from the class interval, we take as L value 20, and we require is h. H is nothing but 0 to 10, difference is 10, and n is clearly given as 60. Median value given as 28.5. We will find out the frequency values now, missing frequencies. So median formula 28.5 equal to, I'm writing here formula, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by f into h. So in this formula I'm going to substitute median formula value is 28.5, L value we got as 20, plus n by 2 means n equal to 60, n by 2 is nothing but 30. 60 by 2. So 30 minus CF value is 5 plus x. So before writing 5 plus x, we should write this one in the brackets. By f value is 20 again into h value is 10. Cancel these zeros, 10 ones and 10 twos. 20 bring this side, 28.5 minus 20. 28.5 minus 20 equals, how much is left? 30 minus, here 5, minus is common, so minus take it inside, minus x by 2. Okay, then 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5. 8.5 equal to 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x by 2. 2 bring this side, 18.5 into 2. 10, 16, 17, 3. So 37 we get. 37 equal to, sorry, 8.5. This is not 18.5. 8.5 means we will get only 17. 17 equal to 25 minus x. It implies bring 17 this side. So x equal to 25 minus 17, which gives answer as 8. So after getting x equal to 8 value, substitute in 1 in this equation. X plus y equal to 15. 8 plus y equal to 15. That implies y equal to 15 minus 8. Bring 8 this side. So 15 minus 8, how much is? 7. So missing frequency values, x equal to 8 and y equal to 7. These are the values. You can verify. Add this one. 8 plus 7 gives 15. I hope you understood. This is the important type for final exams. Missing frequency from median. Thank you.